Okay, what are we learning today? Clouds! There's one right there, and over there. Whoa, whoa, clouds aren't solid? What is this stuff? I thought it would feel dry and fluffy, but it's wet and misty. I see. Clouds are made of water droplets. Where do clouds come from? Whoa! On Earth, the sun's energy warms up water and changes the water from a liquid to a gas. This gas is called water vapor, and this process is called evaporation. The water vapor rises up and up into the sky where the temperature is cooler. When the water vapor becomes cool enough, it changes into a liquid, a water droplet. This process is called condensation. When many water droplets form in the same place, we see a cloud. As the water droplets grow bigger and bigger, they stick to each other. And once they grow big enough, they fall from the sky. Whee! As they reach the ground, we call them raindrops. And that's the water cycle. Cosmo here. Can you answer some questions about clouds?
I can barely hear you. I think the clouds make the signal weak.
That gives me a great idea. What if I run a simulation and get rid of the clouds? Can you report what's happening down on Earth?
Sure, I'll send you text updates.
The weather forecast says every day will be exactly the same. Sunny. Goodbye rainstorms. Farewell blizzards. Bye-bye fog. Natural weather disasters like hurricanes and tornadoes will also disappear. It's getting really hot down here. Clouds help keep the Earth cool by stopping some of the sun's heat and light energy from reaching the ground. Without clouds, the sun would be constantly beating down and the Earth would become warmer and warmer. Humans would get very bad sunburns and would need to carry sun umbrellas and wear ultra-strong sunscreen. It's very dry. No clouds means no rain, no fog, and no snow. These different types of water are called precipitation. If there's no precipitation, the soil doesn't get any water. The Earth will turn into a desert. The Atacama Desert rarely has any clouds. It once went 14 years without rain. But what would happen to the water already on Earth? With clouds missing, the Earth would keep getting hotter, and the water in lakes, rivers, and oceans would evaporate. Without water from rain and snow being added to lakes and oceans, all the liquid water on Earth would disappear. Humans would also run out of water to drink and food to eat. And forget about washing your clothes, taking a bath, and flushing the toilet.
Cosmo, bring the clouds back.
Okay, you're right. Clouds, come back. Whee! Who knew that clouds were so important? Which chapter should I research next?
Cosmo!
Hey everybody, Cosmo here. It sure was fun following a water droplet as it became a cloud. But what if you could make your own cloud in your home? Step 1, find an adult. Step 2, find a glass jar with a lid. Get half a cup of hot water, some ice cubes, and a can of hairspray. Step 3, have an adult pour the hot water into the jar. Step 4, place the lid on the jar upside down. Put the ice cubes onto the upside down lid. Step 5, Wait for 30 seconds. Step 6. Take the lid off the jar and quickly spray some hairspray into the jar. Put the lid back on the jar as fast as possible. Step 7. Watch as water vapor condenses around the particles of hairspray and forms a cloud. Happy experimenting! And I'll see you next time on What If Kids. Goodbye!